So if you are still charging per clip for your clients and you're sending that invoice, you are losing on a $3,000 to $4,000 client each month, which could be in your pocket. So in the next couple of minutes in this video, I'm going to explain you how you step back from this gigs towards a predictable monthly income. So maybe you're working till 2 AM into the night, trying to make these clients projects ready, but still your clients pay late, don't see your invoices, you need to run behind your money, or you're crushing in reels, but still you live invoice to invoice. If that's you, the next blueprint will buy you back time and explode your bank account. So the main question is, why do 90% of all video editors cap at $3,000, $4,000 per month? Because clients don't buy video editing, they buy growth. A brand literally don't care about your video settings, they care about revenue. Put yourself into the shoes of a business owner or somebody is approaching you. When somebody is approaching you and you're not making more money than whatever the offer is costing or the investment is when a person is approaching you, it's not interesting. So the same for businesses. They see you as a video editor. So when you don't come with a solution, when you don't come with a scalable system which makes them more money, where they can see that you did it already in the past, or they can see that there is potential, then they will pay 4 figures. And then you have a scalable offer where you don't exchange time towards money anymore. You creating results for business owners. So where do you find these clients who are paying 4 figures per month? It's so easy. All of them complaining or they have problems in growth. So when you take a look at platforms such as YouTube or LinkedIn, you find these business owners, they have an established business, they have a lot of clients, but what will happen if you can get them more clients into their calendar? So pain which is public is pain which is ready to pay. So what is the next step? How do you approach these businesses so you can close them towards a 4-figure, like $3,000 to $4,000 per month client as a content agency, as a video editor? I will not go so much in depth in this video, but if you want to have a blueprint where I literally talk 15 minutes straight how to do this, you will find a link for a free literally course, for a free masterclass where I literally explain this, how you get these clients. But easy to say, or like long story short, you approach these clients either through a cold on the phone or via DM. I've done cold DMs over the last years. I've closed multiple 5 figures only from Instagram DM. So this is the strategy to go for to get these clients hooked into the sales call. The next step is you need to have the right offer. You need to offer the right thing towards these clients to resolve their pain, which is visible on these social media platforms. Let's take, for example, YouTube, where I'm right now making my money in with my agency. And then you offer a collaboration, which goes, for example, 3 months, and you're achieving X results, for example. And this is how you swap from, hey, let me edit for you 4 videos. You go towards, look, this is what could happen if we do the right strategy for your YouTube and you get these clients. So nowadays, I'm not only editing the videos right now with my team for my clients, we actually built a whole acquisition channel. We built a whole client acquisition YouTube channel for our clients, which leverages me, my time, and literally I'm much more valuable for my clients. So if you want to learn this, again, I have a freebie, I have a free video guide which explains exactly this, not only for YouTube long form but also for short form. So when you're rather into short form editing, you will find also it's the same video explaining how you can literally get started making money in the next couple of weeks with these 2 agency models. So this is the whole magic. Obviously every step has 50 more steps you need to take a look at. So again, take a look at the free video masterclass where I exactly explain everything step by step. Or if you want to be faster and not spending years again being distracted or focusing on other business models, then you can also straight away book a call with me. I can explain you everything how it works. And when you found this video variable, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.